So hello everyone. Today we are going to learn, okay, how to watch some particular kind of specific scenes, okay, or any scenes from a popular TV show or from a movie and how to practice that, okay. तो आप मूवी देखते देखते कैसे प्रैक्टिस करना है that we are going to learn. So what we are going to learn today, present continuous, okay, how to use present verb. V1, play becomes playing, write becomes writing. Okay, now how we make questions with it. Okay, so how we are playing the clip. First we'll play the first clip. So we are going to learn be plus verb plus ing. What are these people doing now? Okay, so something present tense is what? जब हम आज के बारे में बात करते हैं, अभी के बारे में बात करते हैं. What are these people doing now? What you are doing now? What am I doing now? I am teaching in front of the camera. I am teaching right now. What are you doing, Pankaj? What are you doing, Vinod? What are you doing, Sanjay? You are learning English. So this is what? Present continuous. Learn becomes learning. Teach becomes teaching. Got it? So what are these people doing now? अभी ये क्या कर रहे हैं?
Are you dancing, huh?
So question. Are you dancing now? So you can do a little bit of dance. Do action and learn. Okay? Got it? Charlie's, so see, जब किसी का हम रेफरेंस देते हैं, जब किसी के बारे में बात हो रही है, ये रिमोट किसका है, ये हाउस किसका है, इट्स ऑफ निहारिकाज. Whose book is this? It's of Pankaj. S लगाते हैं हम वहां पर, apostrophe S. Okay? Charlie's, उसकी बहन लिख रही है on the wall. So on again preposition, on the wall she is writing. Charlie's writing on the wall. Write becomes writing. Present continuous. Okay? This is present tense we are talking about. What?
She's writing on the wall.
Charlie, she is writing on the wall. So this is how you need to pause and play and learn.
Dexter, are you listening?
Dexter. So after that, comma. Give a pause in there. Dexter, are you listening to me? आप मुझे सुन रहे हो क्या? So see how we frame a question in present continuous. Are you listening to me? Are you coming with me? क्या आप मेरे साथ आ रहे हो? No, I'm not coming with you. No, I'm not listening to you. मैं आपको नहीं सुन रही हूँ. Yes, I'm listening to you. Everything in present tense.
Anthony, yes, I'm listening.
Yes, I am listening. This is contraction. I am. Yes, I'm listening. So pause the dialogues and practice 2-3 times like this. Another clip.
I'm not bothering you, Em.
I'm not bothering you. Am I? क्या मैं आपको bother कर रही हूँ? क्या मैं आपको disturb कर रही हूँ? Okay, like suppose you somebody is working and you have to intervene. Intervene means आपको बीच में जाना है या वहां से निकलना है या आपको कुछ बात करनी है. Okay, so that is where you use this. I'm not bothering you because she's cleaning and he was doing something on his iPad or writing pad. I am bothering you. Am I? She's asking question.
A little.
A little. So that's the answer.
What you doing?
I know what you're doing.
Having breakfast.
Having breakfast.
Madam, what are you doing?
Melon, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you looking at? I'm looking for a book. I'm looking for my mobile. What are you searching in here? Okay, आप क्या search कर रहे हो? I'm looking for my mobile. I'm looking for my bag. I left somewhere here. I'm looking for. I'm searching for. all in present continuous. So suppose, like if someone is just going, he's about to go somewhere. So he say, Carrie, do you have a second? Do you have a minute? कि आपके पास एक मिनट है, मुझे आपसे बात करनी है. Do you have a minute? I need to talk. Okay? I need to discuss about this deal. Everything in present tense. मुझे इसके बारे में बात करनी है. I need to discuss. Carrie, do you have a second? What's the dialogue? Okay, Vinod, do you have a second? Sanjay, do you have a second? Pankaj, do you have a second? Do you have a minute? I need to talk. Sure, what's up?
Are you tweeting about me?
Are you tweeting about me? Tweeting means जब हम ट्विटर पे कुछ लिखते हैं, a short statement या कुछ भी हम ट्वीट करते हैं, like नरेंद्र मोदी is tweeting on Twitter. Okay, he's writing something on Twitter. That is called as tweeting.
I'm tweeting about you.
Am I tweeting about you? No, I'm not. Am I doing that? No, I'm not doing that. Oh, yes, I am tweeting about you. Means I'm writing a post or something I'm posting online on Twitter. That is tweeting. Yes, me what? Okay, yes, tell me what it is. Yes, say what it is.
Me what?
Carrie,
Mhm.
Belinda, what are you doing?
What doing?
What am I doing?
Making.
Making an omelette. What do you think? It's just, of course, like you are in a class and you are doing learning or you are learning something, you are teaching something. So naturally, if someone is asking you, what are you doing in the class? They say, swimming, I guess. So making an omelette. What do you think?
What do you think? Where are you?
Where are you? See, I need some help. Everything in present tense. Okay, now.
Uh-huh.
Hey guys, what are you studying? Everything in present tense again. Study becomes studying. And see, you noticed one thing in all the statements, students, they are using present helping verbs. Is, are, am. तो ये सब क्या है? Present helping verbs, auxiliary verbs. Is, am, are, has, have. ये अगर सारे verbs use हो रहे हैं, तो that means the talk is going in present situation, in present tense or present continuous.
What you studied?
Chemistry.
What are you two laughing at? You.
What are you two laughing at? हम कभी भी laughing at बोलते हैं. Laughing on me कभी नहीं बोलते हैं. You are laughing at me. मेरे ऊपर हंस रहे हो आप. Okay? तो जब हम बोलते हैं मेरे ऊपर हंस रहे हो, तो उसे हम बोलते हैं laughing at. Why are you laughing at me? Something is wrong with me. I think so. Your dress. It's very funny. Okay? You, Ellie, we are laughing at you. See? At you. This is the preposition we use for laughing at. Looking at, same preposition we use in there. Looking at, laughing at.
Eli, we're laughing at you.
Mom, Phineas and Ferb.
Mom, Phineas and Ferb are making a title sequence. A title sequence. Okay?
We're making a title sequence.
Okay, so this is how we talk in present tense. So in present tense, we use present verbs and present helping verbs. Is, am, are. Write, writing. Teach, teaching. Cook, cooking. Laugh, laughing. Tweet, tweeting. Got it? So this is how you can learn grammar from such type of clips. Okay, so here suppose we learned present tense. From different clips you can learn different things. And one more thing, students, what I'm trying to say over here is, like एनी टाइम व्हेन यू आर सीइंग एनी क्लिप ना, एक क्लिप से आप लोग ना एक ही चीज सीखने की कोशिश किया करो पंकज। ओके, लाइक सपोज ये क्लिप देखी तो इस पर हमने प्रेजेंट टेंस या प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस पे फोकस किया। नेक्स्ट क्लिप जब आप देख रहे हो तो उस पर प्रेपोजिशन पर फोकस करो। ओके, एक बार में एक ही स्ट्रक्चर लर्न करो, दैट्स बेटर। बहुत सारी चीजें इससे मैं सब्जेक्ट भी लर्न कर लूँ, न्यू वर्ड्स भी लर्न कर लूँ, स्टार्टिंग में एट बिगिनिंग लेवल ऐसा मत करो। एज अ बिगिनर focus on one or two things in a clip, that way no it becomes much easier। like suppose हम एक conversation कर रहे हैं तो focus only on subjects, understand कि nouns कैसे use होते हैं। maybe in second clip you focus on verbs, third clip focus on preposition, fourth clip focus on tenses। एक clip के साथ एक या दो grammar structures आप याद करो, it becomes much easier to practice English like that।